Choose the correct antonym of the given words. Marred. Marred means damaged or spoiled. And the correct antonym of marred is option A, flawless. Somber. Somber means serious, sad and without humor or entertainment. The correct antonym of somber is option B, cheerful. Satire. Satire means the use of humor to mock someone or something. The correct antonym of satire is option D, praise. Adjudication. Adjudication means a judgment by a court. The correct antonym of adjudication is option D, indecision. Fluorescent. Fluorescent means unreasonable and deserving to be laughed at. The correct antonym of fluorescent is option B, ridiculous. Brazen. Brazen means showing no embarrassment, bold and shameless. The correct antonym of brazen is option C, modest. Incipient. Incipient means beginning to exist or appear. The correct antonym of incipient is option A, developed. Exercise. Exorcise means to drive out an evil spirit. The correct antonym of exorcise is option C, summon. Plummet. Plummet means to fall or drop suddenly. The correct antonym of plummet is option B, soar. Aggravating. Aggravating means making a problem, injury, or situation worse. The correct antonym of aggravating is option D, soothing. Stark. Stark means severe, complete or bare in appearance or outline. The correct antonym of stark is option C, ornate. Inscrutable. Inscrutable means impossible to understand or interpret, mysterious. The correct antonym of inscrutable is option A, transparent. Enmeshed. Enmeshed means entangled or trapped in difficult situation. The correct antonym of enmeshed is option B, disengaged. Rapprochement. Rapprochement means establishment of harmonious relations. The correct antonym of rapprochement is option C, estrangement. Devastation. Devastation means great destruction or damage. The correct antonym of devastation is option C, flourishing. Infructuous. Infructuous means unproductive and useless. The correct antonym of infructuous is option D, fruitful. Litigation. Litigation means the process of taking legal action. The correct antonym of litigation is option C, settlement. Envisage. Envisage means to visualize or to imagine. The correct antonym of envisage is option B, ignore. Rejig. Rejig means to rearrange. The correct antonym of rejig is option A, preserve. Demystify. Demystify means to make something clear or easy to understand. The correct antonym of demystify is option C, obscure. Vendetta. Vendetta means a prolonged bitter feud or revenge. The correct antonym of vendetta is option D, reconciliation. Interlocutor. Interlocutor means a person who takes part in a conversation. The correct antonym of interlocutor is option B, silent observer. Obstreperous. Obstreperous means noisy. The correct antonym of obstreperous is option C, quiet. Opaque. Opaque means not allowing light to pass. The correct antonym of opaque is option A, transparent. Resurrection. Resurrection means the act of coming back to life or revival. The correct antonym of resurrection is option D, extinction. Deplorable. Deplorable means regrettable. The correct antonym of deplorable is option A, commendable. Insouciant. Insouciant means carefree. The correct antonym of insouciant is option D, worried. Vituperate. Vituperate means abuse. The correct antonym of vituperate, option A, praise. Disingenuous. Disingenuous means insincere. The correct antonym of disingenuous is option B, honest. Levy. Levy means tax or charge imposed officially. The correct antonym of levy is option C, exempt.